Okay, Wall Street just dropped a bomb on Apple, and it all comes down to the iPhone 18 Fold. Seriously, a major financial firm, Jefferies, just downgraded Apple stock. Not because the iPhone 17 is failing, but because they think the hype for the next iPhone is completely out of control. Specifically, they're calling out the price of Apple's first foldable, and if they're right, the iPhone 18 Fold is already in huge trouble. So, here's the breakdown. Jefferies dropped Apple's stock rating because they believe the entire market is being way too optimistic about what's coming next year. We all saw the iPhone 17 crush it, right? It was a massive success mostly because Apple put the ProMotion display, that super smooth 120Hz screen, on the regular model. That boosted sales. But Jefferies says, hold up, that good news is already baked into the stock price. Now, because the 17 did so well, Wall Street is expecting even bigger things from the iPhone 18 line, and that's where the problem starts. The biggest red flag for the analysts is the iPhone 18 Fold. Every rumor says Apple is going to price its first foldable device around $2,000. That's exactly where the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 starts. And Jefferies is basically shouting $2,000 is too high. They think that price point is the ceiling for what normal consumers are willing to pay for a foldable right now, and it's going to severely limit how many people actually buy the iPhone 18 Fold. It's like, sure, Apple can make the most beautiful foldable ever, but if it costs as much as a high-end MacBook, demand will suffer. This isn't just about the stock market, it's about Apple's strategy. Jefferies argues that Apple needs to deliver real cutting-edge innovation, not just slightly better screens or a folding gimmick, to justify these massive expectations. They point out that even the super-thin iPhone Air hasn't really caught on with people, which is a bad sign for an expensive, experimental phone like a foldable. They're saying if Apple's first foldable isn't a total game-changer and they slap a $2,000 price on it, the demand will just collapse, and the current excitement for the stock will crash with it. So, here's the final thought. Right now, Apple's stock is actually right near its all-time high, but you have one major analyst firm saying, sell the news. They believe all the excitement about the iPhone 18 Fold has already inflated the price, and the reality of a $2,000 phone with limited demand is going to hit Apple hard next year. It's a classic Wall Street standoff, huge optimism versus cold, hard price reality. Let me know in the comments, would you pay $2,000 for the iPhone 18 Fold, or is that price a demand killer? See you in the next one.